So today we are going to solve this problem. Minimum cost for tickets number is 983. So see, in this problem you have planned some train traveling 1 year in advance. The days of the year in which you will travel are given as an integer array days. Each day is an integer from 1 to 365. Train tickets are sold in three different ways. A first day pass is sold for cost of $2. Okay, and this 7 days pass is sold for cost of $7, and a 30 days pass is sold for $15. Okay, the passes arrived at how many days of consecutive travels. For example, if we get a 7-day pass on day 2, then we can travel for 7 days, 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Return the minimum number of dollars you need to travel every day in the given list of the days. So let's understand. See, so imagine you love traveling but you do not travel every day. You only travel on certain days in a month. For example, let's take an example. Days, we have days. You can travel in certain days, that was 2 4 6 7. Okay, so you have three types of tickets you can buy. 1 day ticket, pay for only 1 day. Okay, and next is 7 days, 7 day tickets, pay for the day and 6 days. Okay, 6 days. And next is 30 days ticket, so pays for the day and next 29 day. Okay, 29 days. So your goal is to spend a little money as possible while covering all the days you want to travel. Okay, not every tickets cover the same days. Okay, sometime buying a bigger tickets like 7 days or 30 days save money if multiple travel days are closer together. Okay, so let's understand the problem. So the goal is cover all travel days, spend the minimum total money. Okay, so you can buy a ticket on any travel days. At each travel day you have three options. So we have three options. Okay, buy 1 day pass, next buy 7 day pass, or buy 30 days pass. Okay, so you must think, if I buy this pass today, which future travel days will it cover? Then calculate total cost, then choose minimum. Okay, now let's understand with example. If we have travel days, if we have so we have days array like 1. Let's take a small example, and the cost of array same 2 7 25. Okay, see, you only travel on day 1, so you can buy 1 day cost is 2, by 7 day cost is 7, by 30 day cost is 25. So the minimum cost is 2, so the answer is 2. Okay, so if you have example like this, day is equal to 1 2, and the cost of array 2 7 25. So you travel on day 1 and day 2. Okay, option 1, say by day 1 day for 1 2, and by 1 day for day 2. Okay, by 1 day for day 2, so the total is 4. Option 2, by 7 day, on day 1 it's cover 1 both. Okay, it's cover both 1 and 2, so the cost is 2. Third option is, if you can buy, it's cover all 1 2 also. Okay, so the minimum of this is 4 7 25. So the minimum is 4, so the answer is 4. Okay, see, answer is 4. Okay, let's take one more example. 1 4 6 2 7 25. If you buy 7 days on day 1, it cover 1 to 7. Okay, so day 1 covered, day 1 also covered, and day 4 also covered, day 6 also covered. Only one tickets needed, that cost is 7. Okay, so but if you buy one day tickets, if you buy one day tickets, 2 plus 2 plus 2, it was 6. So the minimum is 6. Okay, you can buy on this 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. So sometimes small tickets are better, sometimes bigger tickets is better, you must compare them. Okay, so the problem is very simple. Okay, so this problem is about making smart decision at each travel day, checking all three options and choosing minimum total cost. Okay, so let's run. So see, this is a decision problem. At every travel day you must make a decision. You always have three choice. Okay, buy a day 1 pass, 7-day pass, or 30 days pass. Okay, so after choosing one option, some future travel days get covered, so then you solve the remaining days. So this is why we use recursion. See, think like this. I'm standing at one travel day. If I buy a ticket today, which day will it cover? After that, what is the cost of remaining days? Take the minimum of all three choice. That's it. So, so we define solve of I. Minimum solve of I means minimum cost to cover travel days starting from index I to the end. If I reach beyond the last day, we have to return just 0 because nothing is left to cover. Okay, see, now we make a recurrence. Okay, recurrence relation. At index I, we are at, see, current day to travel days of I. Okay, we have three options. Option 1, 1 day pass, cover only this day. Next index is I plus 1, choose become cost of 1 is cost, cost of 0 plus solve of I plus 1. Okay, so option 2 is 7-day pass. Okay, 7-day pass, so covers from current day to current day plus 6. Now we must find the first travel day that is not covered, so let that index be j. Okay, let that index be j. Then see, cost of 2 is cost of 1 plus solve of j. Okay, now option 3, 30-day pass, so we cover current day plus 29. Okay, find next uncovered index is k. Okay, then what it become, cost of 3 is cost of 2 plus solve of k. Okay, so the final recurrence is solve of I is equal to minimum cost of 1, cost of 2, and cost of 3. So this is the recurrence. Now let's take a small example. Let me clear all of this. Now see, we have days of array like 1 4 6 and cost of array 2 7 15. Start at index 0 0 1 to day 1. See, if we buy day 1, so cost is 2, so next index is 1, so 2 plus solve of 1. If we buy day 7, so cover 1 to 7, so then that covers 1 4 6, so no days left, so 7 plus solve of 3, that was 7 plus 0 is 7. Okay, if we by day 30, cover all days, so 25 plus 0 25. Now we solve, now see solve of 1 is similar, then take minimum. Okay, so why this work? Because at every step we try all possible choice. Each choice reduce the problem size, eventually we reach the end. And so this is classic recursion thinking. Solve smart part at current decision, take minimum. Okay, now wait, days of 1 4 6, cost of 2 7 25. See 0 1 2, 0 day 1 1 day was 4 and 2 index day was 6 and 3 index end, because we have to written here 0. Okay, so function of, so we know the solve of I, minimum cost from index I. Okay, so see for 0, so solve for 0 day 1. At day 1 we have 3 options. Okay, we have 3 options. Option 1, at day 1 day the cost is 2, so next index is equal to, next index is 1, so say next index is 1, so 2 place solve of 1. Now go inside to solve of 1, see day 4. Okay, day 4, so again we have 3 options. Option 1, at day 4 day 1, so the day 4 day 1 the cost is 2, so the cost is 2, so the next index is 2, next index is 2, so 2 place solve of 2, so solve of 2 day is 6, so again we have, see solve of 2 day is 6, so again we have 3 options. Okay, option 1, at 6 day cost is 2, first is cost is 2, so 2 place solve of 3, so solve of 3 is 0, so it was 2. Okay, option 2 day 6, so the 7 cost is 7, so we cover day 6 to 12, no days left, so 7 place solve of 3, it was 7, so option 3, so option 3, at day 6 30 days, so we cover 6 to 35, no days left, so what, 25 place solve of 3, so it was 25. Okay, so solve of 2 is minimum 2 7 25, so the answer is 2. Okay, we back to 4, back to day 4. So option 1, 1 at day 4 total is 2 place solve of 2, so 2 plus 2 it was 4, so option 2, at day 4 to 7 days, day 7. Okay, day 7, so 2 place solve of 2, 2 plus 2 it was 4. Okay, option 2, at day 4 is day 7, day 4 and 7, so we cover 4 10 and we cover 4 and 6, so in next index is 3, so 7 place solve of 3, it was 7, so option 3, at day 4 30 days, so we cover day to 33, 4 to 33, so we cover 4 and 6, so the next index is 3 out of 1, 25 place solve of 3 25, so solve of 1 is minimum 4 7 25, so the 24 4 is minimum. Option 1 are day 1 total. Okay, so see 2 place solve of 1, 2 plus solve of 1, 2 plus 4 6, So option 2, a day 1 7, we cover 7 days into 7. Okay, so the we cover 1 4 6, next index is 3, so 7 place solve of 3 7. Option 3, a day 1 30 days, so see, cover 1 4 6, so next index is 3, so 25 place solve of 3, so it was 25. So let's solve of 0. Option 1 6, okay, option 1 we have 6, and option 2 7, and option 3 25, so the minimum is 6. Okay, so the minimum is 6, so the final answer is 6. Clear? Just a minute. So now let's take another example. See, now we take another example. So travels days of array is 1 to 8, and the cost is 2 7 25. Day 1 2 and day 7 day 30 25. Okay, 1 day cost is 2, 7 day cost is 7, and 30 days cost is 25. Okay, now index 0 1 2, 0 index day 1, 1 index day 2, and 2 index day 8. In third index return 0 because end. Okay, so function solve of I is minimum cost from index I to end. Okay, now let's start. So see, solve of 0 day 1, we have 3 options. Okay, option 1 day 1, so the cost is 2, next index is 1, so 2 plus solve of 1. So now we calculate solve of 1 day 2, again we have 3 options. Option 1, a day 2 cost is 2. Okay, cost is 2, so next index is 2. Okay, 2 place solve of 2. No solve of 2, no day is 8, so again we have 3 options. So the cost day 1, so the cost is 2, so the next index is 3, so we calculate that 2 place solve of 3, it was 2. Option 2, a day 8 7 days, cover day is 8 to 14, no days left. Okay, so 7 plus 0, it was 7. Option 3, a day 8 30 days, so 25 plus 0, it was 25. No, solve of 2 is minimum 2 7 25, so the answer is 2. So back to day 2. Okay, we back to day 2, and option 1 total is 2 plus solve of 2 plus 2, it was 4. Option 2, a day 2 7 days, we covers day is 2 and 8. Important, see, it cover day 2 and day 8 also. Okay, so in the next index is 3, so 7 plus solve of 3, it was 7. Option 3, a day 2 30 days, so cover is 2 31, cover days is 2 and 8, so 25 plus 0, it was 25. Okay, so wait, so solve of 1, so solve of 1 is minimum of 4 7 25, 4 is the minimum. Okay, back to day 1. So option 1 total at day 1 is 2 plus solve of 1, 2 plus 4, it was 6. Option 2, at day 1 7 days, so cover day is 1 7, so 1 and 2, covers is 1 and 2 but does not cover day 8, so the next index is 2. So 7 plus solve of 2. So we already know solve of 2 is equal to 2. So 7 plus 2, it was 9. Option 3, a day 1 to 30 days. Okay, so cover day is 130. We have cover 1 2 8. So next index is 3 25 plus 0 25. So the solve of 0. Option 1 6 and option 1 6, option 2 9, and option 3 25. So the minimum is 6, so the answer is 6. Okay, see, at day 2 7 was covered, day 8 also covered, but at day 1 7 day did not cover 8. Okay, so this is why we must carefully check which days are covered. Okay, so it was clear. Now see, you have travel on some days, okay, like 1 to 8. So we know what all mean this, so we cover all of days. Now we have to write down the code, but let's take one more small example and try run this. Okay, so we know we have three choice. I think we have to write down the code. So see, we get the pattern. Okay, stand on the first travel day and try 3 tickets, try all 3 tickets, and for each ticket see which days are covered, solve remaining days, and add ticket cost, take minimum. So that's the recursion thinking. Okay, so let's write down the code. Let me clear this. So see, we have days of ticket is 1 4 5, cost is 2 7 25. Okay, so see, we are making a function call that was solve. So I means current index, day means travels away this day. Okay, and cost is ticket cost of a day. Okay, so solve of I means minimum money needed from index I to end. So let's write down the function int solve of I Victor int and days Victor int and cost. Okay, next is base case. If I is greater than or equal to days dot size return 0. Okay, so see here, I have cleared that. Okay, see, what does this means? If I is greater than or equal to size dot return is, if index goes out of bond. Okay, if index go out of bond, that means no days left to cover, so the cost is 0. Okay, 0 1 2. See, if solve of 3, we have got solve of 3, I is 3, so 3 is greater than or equal to 3, so it was true, so we have to return 0. Okay, 3, there is no value, so we have to return 0. Okay, next we want cost of 1. Okay, so see, cost of 1 is cost of 0 plus solve of I plus 1 days and cost. Okay, see, so if we buy day 1 ticket and cost is equal to cost of 0, it only covers current day. So next uncovered day is next index, so we call solve of I plus 1. Okay, So because of I plus 1, if we are at I is equal to 0 and day 1, then cost of 1 is 2 plus solve of 1. Okay, because 1 day ticket is 2. Okay, now we have to write that int cost 1 equal to CST cost of 0 plus solve of I plus 1 days cost. Okay, next see, wait, we have to write for, no, see, we must find next index not covered. So we write int j is equal to I. So this means start checking from current index. Okay, so let me write first int j is equal to I. Okay, while j is less than days dot size and days of j is less than days of I plus 7 j plus plus. Okay, see what this means. So we have 7 days ticket. Okay, cover 7 day tickets cover current day and current day plus 6. So we move j forward until day is not covered. So see, I is equal to 0 and day is 1. 7 day covered 1 to 7. So day 1 has covered, day 4 has covered, and day 5 has covered, all covered. So j become 3. Okay, so next we write, see, enter cost of 2 cost of 1 plus solve of j days and cost. Okay, see what does mean. If cost is cost 2, 7 plus solve of 3, so 7 plus 0 7. Okay, if option 3 30 days, see, simple logic, and k is I, k was I, then roop, so while k is less than date of size, day of I is plus 30, it finds next uncovered days after 30. Okay, then see, int cost of 3 is equal to cost of 2 plus solve of k days and cost. Okay, so in last we have to return minimum cost 1 and minimum cost 2 cost 3. Okay, so we make a function, and in cost, first option, this was for option 1 and this is option 2. Let me join this option 2. j will increase in cost, and it was option 3. I have not write K. Wait. J, while J is equal to date of size, press 7. J will increase in cost 2. Solve of I, J and days of cost in option 3. In K is equal to I forgot to write this. I have not write while J, and next simply we have to write while if K is less than days dot size and so I'll solve of K is less than, okay, and days of K, days of I plus 30. I plus 30 and K plus in cost we have sent this K and return, okay. In last we have to return solve of 0 days and cost. See, it calculate like cost 1 is 2 plus solve of 1 and cost 2 is 7 plus solve of 3 and cost 3 is 25 plus solve of 3, then solve of 1 calculate similar, so the final answer is 6. Okay, so now let's convert because equation repeats same calculate, so we convert this code in memo. So in recursion C, solve of I get cost many times, okay. In last you have solve of 2 has many cost same, so see can be calculate again and again, so we store the answer once, next time we just return stored value, so that is called memorization, okay. So that's called memorization. So let's convert this code in memorization. First we create map, ordered map int memo, okay, stored value answer, okay. Next base case, base case. Next, if memo dot count I return memo of I, so if already calculate return stored value, okay. This means if we have already calculated return stored value, okay. It was very simple. And last command C, delete, we store in memo of I and just we return memo of I. So yes, see what memo means. Memo means memory. Okay, memo of I, answer was answer of solve of I, solve of I. Okay, next time solve of I is called, we directly return stored value, no extra calculations. Okay, so without memo, same solve of I learns again and again. With memo, each index solve only once, so that's it. Okay, now we covered. Okay, see, so what recursion does, in recursion we wrote solve of I. So what the solve of I means, it means minimum cost of cover travel, minimum cost to cover travel from index I to end. Okay, so if see, if solve of I is 2, so solve of 2 means cost of covers days 2, days 3 and ends. Okay, so this is exactly same meaning as dp of I. Okay, so recursion was doing at index I, we have three choice: 1 day pass, 7 day pass and 30 days pass. 1 day pass, 7 day pass and 30 days pass, then return minimum of those three, that give recurrence. Okay, so you know what is named by recurrence. Recurrence is just a formula. It's tell how to compute answer at position in I, position I using small subproblems, and here small subproblem is future index. So see recurrence become dp dp of I. Wait. dp of I minimum of, see, cost of 1 day plus dp of I plus 1. Next, cost of 7 days plus dp of j. Next, cost of 30 days plus dp of k. Okay, so that is recurrence. So what did we build it? Okay, so see, how did we build it? By thinking, if I am at index I must choose one of the three passes. Okay, that's it. Dip is just decision making place, sorting result. Okay, now see, now we see difference between recursion. Okay, solve of I in recursion, see, solve of I again and again repeat same work many times. In memorization, in memo, same recurrence, recursion, same recursion, but store answer in memory. If solve of I is already calculated, return directly. So in tabulation, no recursion and no function call. We build dp array from base case. So we build dp from we build dp array from base case. So see, in recursion we go top down thinking, so in tabulation we go from bottom up building. Okay, so the idea of tabulation is, instead of asking what is answer from start, we ask what is answer from every index. We fill answer from end beginning. So because see, dp of I depends on dp of I plus 1, dp of j and dp of k. Okay, so future must be no first. That's it. Now let's try then. Let's take an example. Days is equal to 1 4 6 7 7 8. Okay, 7 8 20. Okay, so the cost is 2 7 15. So n 0 1 2 3 4 5. So n is 6. N is equal to 6. We start from 0. Okay, So we make dp size 7. Okay, we make dp size 7. Why 7? Because when no days left the cost is 0, so dp of 6 is 0. Okay, so let's make a table. We have to make a table. See, make here. Let's make me here only. Okay, we make a table of dp table. 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so dp of 6 is 0. Okay, we have here 0, so I is equal to 5. We go from backward. Now I is 5, day is 20. Okay, I is 5 and day is 20. So we are starting at day 20. We ask, if I start from day 20, what is the cheapest? Okay, so we have choice 1, day 1 pass, so the cost is 2. After that no more days. See, so dp of 6 is 0, so 2 plus 0 it was 2. So second choice, day pass 7 days, so we cover 20 to 26, so no more travel, so the total is 7. Option 3, it was 25, not 15. Okay, it was 25. So 30 days, so the no, what we have right, I think 15. It was 15. Okay, 15 only. So 15. Now we have solved 6 day 2. Okay, we are standing on day 20. I have asked from cheapest, so day was 20. So day 1 pass, we have, so we standing, so 2 plus 20, and day 3 pass is cover 2 and 26, so no more travel 70. So at third choice is 30 days, the total is 15. So minimum is 2 7 15, so the minimum is 20. So dp of 5 is 2. Okay, so dp of 5 is 2. No, I comes here. Okay, I comes here, the value is 8, day is 8. See, now we are at day 8. We have first choice, day 1 cost is 2. After that index 5, so future cost is dp of 5 is 2. So 2 plus 2 it was 4. Option choice 2, 7 day 7. We cover 8 to 14. So which travel days is inside 8 and 20? No. Okay, we have only 8 and 20 is no. So next uncovered index is 5. So see, total is 7 plus dp of 5. 7 plus 2 it was 9. So third choice is, we have 3 choices and last choice is 30. So the total is 15. So the minimum is 4. Okay, so dp of 4 is 4. Now I comes here, I go third index 3, day 7, day 1. So day 1, see, 2 plus dp of 4. So 2 plus 4 it was 6. Day 7 we covered 13, 7 to 13 days. 7 years we cover 7 years, 7 8, no 20 we not cover, so the uncovered is 5. So 7 plus dp of 5 it was 9, day 30 15. So the minimum is 6, so dp of 3 is 6. So dp of 3 is 6. Okay, dp of 3 is 6. Now I comes here at 2, index 2, day is 6. See, day 1, 2 plus dp of 3 is equal to 2 plus 6, it was 8. Day 7 we have covered 6 to 12, we cover 6, 7 and 8, 20 we have not covered. So the next uncovered is 5. So total is 7 plus 2, it was 9. And next 9 so the 30 days we have 30 days, the cost is 15. So the minimum is 8. So dp of 2 is 8. Okay, is 8. No, I come here at index 1, value is day is 4. So day 1, see, 2 plus dp of 2 is equal to 2 plus 8, 10. At day 7 we have covered 4 to 10. 4 we have covered, 6, 7, 8, 20. 20 we have not covered. So next uncovered date is 5 only. So the uncovered is 5 only. Okay, next we have to do the total. 7 plus 2, it was 9. Day 30 days and the cost is 15. So the minimum is 9. So dp of I is 9. Okay, and dp of 1 is 9. Next x come here at index 0, value is 1. So last we have to calculate days. 2 plus dp of 1 is equal to 2 plus 9, it was 11. So day 7 covered 1 to 7, we have covered day 1, 4, 6, 7, but we have not covered 8. So next uncovered date is 4. So 7 plus dp of 4 is 7 plus 4, that was 11. 30 days cost is 15 and the minimum is 11. So the dp of 0 is 11. Okay, dp of 0 is 11. That's it. So the answer is 11. Okay, now let's write down the code in tabulation. N is equal to days dot size. So days dot size means count how many traverse days are there. Okay, so we have done say n is equal to 6. So so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, it was 6 only. So we use n to create dp and groups. Okay, next we create vector int dp of n plus 1, initializing with 0. Okay, see, we created an array dp. Okay, our size is n plus 1, 7 is 7 in this example. Okay, so each dp of I will store minimum cost to cover travel from index I onward. Okay, so initializing all values to 0 for now. Why we have used n plus 1? Because dp of n is equal to 0, no travel days left. Okay, next we take a row for int I is equal to n, I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. So we are filling dp from back to front. So we start at last travel days. I is equal to n minus 1, that was 5. Day 2, day 20. Okay, 20. So move backward to first day. I is equal to 0. Day 1. Why backward? Because dp of I depends on dp of j on future days. Okay, so we have to make this also. Store the cost of each type of pass in cost 1 is is cost of 0 and cost 7 is cost of 1 and cost of 30 cost of 2. Okay, so see, it's told the cost of each type of pass. Day 1 pass is 2 and day 7 pass is 7 and day 30 pass is 15. Okay, next we have to calculate and j is equal to I while j is less than n and a while days of j is less than days of I plus 1 j plus plus. Okay, we start at index I and yes, we have start from index I and loop j forward until the first day not covered by first day. Okay, day 1 pass, so 1 day pass cover only current day, so day of I. See, if I is equal to 4, day 8, I think day 8 only, no? 4, yes, so I is equal to 4, day 8, so covered only day 8. Next 5 is uncovered, that was day is 20. Next we have interpreted option 1 and option 1, let us see what is the cost of 1 place dp of j. Okay, now we calculate no, we have to make j variable only j while j is n and days of j is less than days of I plus 7 j plus plus. So day 7 pass covered day 1 and day I plus 6. First day not covered, so next index is let's see, let's understand with example. See, so I is, if I is 3, day is 7, 7 day pass covered day 7 to 13. Okay, so covered day is 7 and 8, next uncovered day is 5. Okay, so option 2, you have to write option 2 also, and option 2 is cost of 7 plus dp of j. So first write me a code, then we'll explain you. While days of j is less than da while days of I plus 30 and j plus plus in I have to write int opti option 3. Option 3 is cost of 30 plus dp of j dp of I min option 1 min, let me write in option min, option 2, option 3. Last I just to return dp of 0, dp of 0, create count of travel. Let's see. What's wrong? Test cases, expected travel output is 13. Okay, let's see. First let me clear this code, have make in size and vector, and I have didn't write base case. dp of yan is equal to 0 because I didn't write base case. Normal days is the cost is still why? Level Indian is days dot size, have it till so in base case to n I is equal to have to take go back from last forward, so n minus 1 is 1 and 0, so now we have to say yes. See, we just defined dp of I mean cost from index I onward and start from last day, move backward. For each I tried 3 passes, 1, 7 and 30, add future cost and store minimum in dp of j. Now in dp of I, yes, and the answer is dp of 0. I have just written dp of 0. Now let's understand clearly what we have doing. So see, let's me create days. Now we take a small example 1, 3, 5 and cost let's take small cost 2, 5, 10. Okay, see the first in see n is dot size means 0, 1, 2, so 3 days. Okay, so 3 days plus 1, we have done with plus 1. Okay, so plus 1 means 3 plus 1, it was 4, so we take 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the last dp of 3 is 0 because no days left, so last is 0. Okay, now we start loop from backward. I is equal to 2. Okay, so day 5 last travel day. So first we calculate this line, see, into cost of 1 into options, cost of 1 and 7. See, first line cost of 1, so cost of 0 in cost 7, so cost, see, in cost 7, so cost of 1 in cost of 30 is 2. Okay, it was clear? I think no, it was not clear. Let me clear one more time to understand clearly. See, into cost 1 is cost, cost of 0, okay, into cost of 7, it cost of 1, okay, into cost of 30, it was cost of 2, okay, cost of 2. So we store cost 1, day 2, day 5 and 10, okay. So next line is int ing. Now we guys see these lines, okay. Same day one day pass cover day is on 5 only. Next uncover day is j is equal to 3, so the option 1, 2 place dp of 3, 2 place 0, 2, okay, 2 plus 0 is 2, and now we calculate this line, see 7, now we got this line. So 7 days pass cover is 5 days level, and next uncover day is j is equal to 3, so option 2 is 5 plus 0, it was 3. Now see this line, 30 days y line, this line, okay. See 30 days pass covered 5 days, that was 34, and next uncovered day is j is equal to 3, so the option 3 is 10 plus 0, it was 10, so the dp of 2 minimum is 2, 5, 10, so the minimum is 2, okay, minimum is 2. Now see, now I is equal to 1, day is 3, 2, 2, so the I is minimum 1 and day is 3, so the option 1, day pass cover only 3 only, so cover day is 3 only, so the next uncover day is 5, index 2, and so the total is due to dp of 2, 2 plus 2, it was 4, option 2, 7 day pass cover day 3, day 9, cover day 5, 2, next uncover day is 3, so the total is 5 plus dp of 3 is equal to 5 plus 0, it was 5, okay. So the option 3, 30 days pass cover all next 3, so total is 10 plus 0, it was 10, so the minimum pick, we have to pick the minimum is dp of 1 is 4, okay, dp of 1 is 4. dp of 1 is 4, 2, 4, okay. Next I comes here, okay, from here to I comes here, I comes here, so I is equal to 0, day 1, so the option 1, day 1 pass, and next cover day is cover day only 1, next uncover day a is equal to 3, so the next index is 1, so total is dp of plus 1, 2 plus 4, it was 6, so next option is day 7, we cover day 1, cover day 1 pass is day is 7, and cover day is 3 to 5, so next uncovered day is 3 uncovered, so total is 5 plus dp of 3, it was 5 plus 0, 5, so the cheapest, and next is 30 day pass cover all days, 10 plus dp of 3, it was 10, yes, it was 10, and 30 days pass now, it was 10, so the dp of 0, it was 5, okay, dp of 0 is so the answer, final answer is 5. Minimum cost to cover all travel days, okay. So buying 7 day pass on day 1 cover all days cheaper than buying 3 subtracted 1 day passes, okay. Okay, I think you guys understand. Yeah, I have to one more try that. So that's it. Let's try it. Let's take one more example. days is equal to 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 is 0. So let's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4 is 0. Okay, so dp of 4 is 0 because no days left. We start from backward. So I is here, I is equal to 3 and day was 7. See, option 1 covered day 7 only. Next uncovered index, that was 4, no more days left. So cost of 3 plus dp of 4 is equal to 3 plus 0, that was 3. Okay, and that was 3. So option 2, day 7 day pass, cover 7 days 13. Okay, cover day 7 and day 13. So no more days left. So next index is 4. So cost is equal to 8 plus dp of 4. 8 plus 0, it was 8. So option 3, 30 day pass, covers day 7 and day 36. So the next index is 4. So the cost is 20 plus 0, it was 20. So minimum they have to pick, minimum pick of day is dp of 3 is 3. Okay, now i's come here. On day 6 we have covered 6 days only. So next uncovered day is 7. So index 3. So cost of 3 plus dp of 3, 3 plus 3, it was 6. So day option 2, 7 day pass. So we have covered 6 day 12, cover day 6 and to day 12. So cover day 7 to next index 4. So the cost is 8 plus dp of 4, that was 8 plus 0, 8. And third option, 30 day pass, cover all days. Next index is 4. So cover 20 plus 0, it was 20. So the minimum, so dp of 2 is 6. Okay, so the dp of 2 is 6 because option 1 6 and option 2 8 and option 3 is 20. Okay, it was 6. I comes here, I 4, day is 4. Okay, so option 1, day 1 day pass, cover day 4 only. So next uncover day is 6. So index is 2. So the cost is 3 plus dp of 2 is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. Option 2, 7 day pass, cover day is 4, day 10. So cover day is 6 and 7. So next index is 4. So the cost is 8 plus dp of 4, 8 by 0, so 8. And next is 30 day pass. So obviously we know it was next index is 4. So the 20 plus 0, it was 20. So the minimum cost is 8. So the dp of 1 is 8. Okay, so i's come here, I comes here, last one, 0 day is 2. So I day is 2. So option 1, day 1 pass, cover day 2 only. Yes, in next uncover day 4, next index is 1. So cost is 3 plus dp of 1 is 3 plus 8, that was level. Okay, day 2, 7 day pass, cover day 2 to day 8. So cover day is 4, 6, 7. Next index is 4. So 8 plus dp of 4, 8 plus 0, it was 8. And next option 3 is 30 day pass, cover all day. Next is 4 indexes. So the cost is 20 plus 0, 20. So the cheapest price is 8 only. So the dp of 0 is 8. Where is the 8? Okay, so the dp of 0 is 8. cheapest way. So see, by 7 day pass on day 2 it covers all travel days 2, 4, 6 and 7. So total cost is 8. So the cheaper than buying multiple 1 day passes, like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it was 12. Okay, see, we start from last day because future dp of I is needed for current calculation. So three options: day 1, 7 days and 30-day pass. See which gives minimum total cost, and dp of I stole the minimum cost to cover day I. So and last dp of 0. So that's it. So it was a, this is was a code, it was a code. Okay.